Hey, hi guys, welcome to PCF. Okay, so today class, in our previous video, we have seen the unique constraint, guys. Okay, we have seen the unique constraint. Now we are going to see to overcome that. Okay, unique constraint will allow the nulls, right? So to overcome that, okay, to overcome that, we have one more topic, that is not null constraint, guys. Okay, it will not allow any nulls in a table. Okay, any nulls in a column. Okay, in on which column, if you create, if you on which column you create a not null, it will not allow any nulls. Not null means it what? Okay, well, so you can see, so in web forms something, if you fill some forms, okay, there are some mandatory fields. Okay, it will not allow any null values. Okay, so that is the same thing in a database also, guys. Okay, that is the same thing in a database. Okay, so when you go with the not null, it will not allow any null values. Okay, it will not allow any null values. I have explained very clearly in my previous video. Okay, day 10, I think it's a day 10. Okay, so you can see that video, previous this video, you can see that. Okay, I'm strongly recommend to watch that video, guys. Okay, if you don't watch that video. Okay, yeah, so now we are going to discuss about the not null. Okay, what not null will do? Not null, guys. Okay, not null. Just a minute. Okay, so we'll write the properties of not null. Okay, so not null. Okay, so not null will it will not allow any null values. Okay, first point, it will not allow any null values. Okay, any null values. You should enter some values. And then second point, it will allow the duplicates. Okay, it will allow duplicates. It will allow the duplicates. Suppose if you create a table while creating, okay, so while creating, so you can specify the syntax, guys. Okay, syntax is this, like this. Okay, syntax is, okay, so column name and data type, and then size, and then what? Not null. Okay, you can specify not. Okay, guys, be clear. Okay, be make sure. Okay, you should not you should give the space between not and null. Okay, so don't forget that, guys. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, you should give a space between not and null. Okay, so that is the syntax. Okay, so if it is already created in a table, okay, if it is already table has been created but you forget to add null, okay, then you can you have to alter a table. Okay, table name. Okay, suppose the table name. Okay, so whatever the table, if you want to create, so table name, and alter, okay, column. Okay, alter column, and then column name, guys. Okay, whatever the column name. Okay, column name and not null. Okay, you can specify not null, like this. This is the scenario. Okay, let's see that in action, guys. Okay, so let's see that in action. Suppose create a table. Okay, create table, so that may be test table. Okay, you can specify test table. Okay, and then here you are creating a id and name. Okay, id integer and not null, guys. Okay, not null, and name varchar 20, varchar 20, and not null. Okay, both are not null only. Okay, and then close. Okay, so let's execute this one, guys. Okay, just let's execute. Okay, the table has been created. Okay, whether so it's created or not, you can check. Okay, select start from table. So this two columns. Okay, the two columns are there, id name. Okay, id name is there. Okay, now we'll insert the data. Okay, already insert syntax is there, so just I'm going to take this insert. Okay, so let's take that. So first of all, we'll try to keep try to insert the null values case. Okay, so whether it is working, So name, ID, name is there. So not employee table, it's a test table. Okay, insert in test table and ID, name, and we'll keep both are null. Okay, whether it's take null values or not. Okay, the first condition we are going to check. Okay, so let me execute it. What happens? Okay, I didn't select total. Okay, just let execute. Okay, see, as expected, guys. Okay, as expected, cannot insert a null values into ID table. Okay, sample database test column. So it will not insert. Why? Because the not null constraint is there, guys. Okay, not null constraint is there. That is the reason you could not able to insert the null values. Okay, but the thing is, so we can insert the duplicates, guys. Okay, we can insert the duplicates. Okay, suppose one AA is there. Okay, if you execute it, so it will take. Okay, there is no null values, so that is the reason it has been taken and it has been given the result. Okay, so one AA as given. Okay, so now if I execute, if I take the same results now, okay, if I try to insert one more time, okay, one more time, or so I will try to execute this one more time. Okay, so now it will take the duplicates also. 2 rows affected, total 3 rows. 3 rows are totally duplicated. Okay, that means not null. Okay, not null will not allow nulls, but it will take the duplicates case. Okay, try to understand. Okay, so now, okay, so whether it is so while creating only we added the not null. Okay, so suppose you forget to add not null. Okay, how to add not null in a column? Okay, then so let's drop this table. Okay, drop table name. Okay, and then execute it, and then execute it. Okay, so let this time okay, keep ID and not null, and then we'll remove this not null. Okay, on name column there is no not null now. Okay, just executing. Okay, table has been created and then execute. Okay, only 2 columns are there, but there is no not null. Okay, there is no not null. Okay, now you can go and then you can alter the table. Okay, if you want to alter table name. Okay, alter table name. Okay, this constraint. Okay, only this constraint is okay. Only not null constraint is syntax is different, but remaining all constraint syntax is same. Okay, like as I said in unique constraint, right? Okay, unique constraint, how we followed: alter table and table name, and add constraint name and the constraint, and what are the columns you want to add in that constraint. Okay, that we discussed, right? So but this constraint is different. Okay, this constraint you have to alter. Okay, even you have to alter a column. What you want to alter? Column. Okay, which column you want to alter? Okay, which column you want to add not null? So that column. Okay, that means name. Okay, that means name column, right? So you can take a name column and then what? Data type what? Not null. Okay, you can specify not null. Okay, what is giving error? Alter varchar, right? Sorry, we have to specify the data type and varchar and not null. Sorry. Okay, now you can execute. Okay, so it will alter. Okay, so you can see Alt F1, guys. Okay, as I said, okay, if you want to see the details, you can press Alt F1. Okay, so whether it is allow nulls or not. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so it's allowing the nulls or not. Okay, both are not nullable columns, guys. Okay, it will not allow nulls. Okay, so this is about the not null. Okay, to overcome this, okay, unique key is allowing the duplicates and null values, but a not null will not allow any nulls, but it allowing the duplicates. Okay, both are having the drawbacks, but to overcome that, okay, okay, there is a one more concept, primary key, guys. Okay, so primary key. So that is the combination of unique key. Okay, unique key plus not null. Guys, unique key plus not null. Okay, that we will discuss in the next video, guys. Okay, that we'll discuss in the next video. Hope you like the not null concept. Okay, hope you like the not null constraint. Okay, if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed. And for more videos, guys. Okay, for more videos, stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to create a videos on SQL, you know, MSBI, and even paginated reports also. Thank you, guys. Okay.